What is up, guys, and welcome back to ARK Survival Ascended. Now, this is episode 3. As you can see, I did actually do some off-camera building. I know it's kind of the first time I've done any of that in this series, but I'm going to try not to do too much of it because ARK Survival Evolved, it was mainly just to save storage on my drive. But this series, since it's pretty much vanilla ARK at the moment, I'm gonna try and avoid doing much off camera. Now, I have actually been checking mods pretty frequently, and it looks like some type of Ultra Stacks mod has been added, but I don't really trust it enough yet. I did just join, so it is gonna be a little laggy till we fully load in the area. I think as I am recording episode 3, I believe episode 1 just dropped, so hopefully in the next episode or episode 5 I'll be able to start actually replying to your guys' comments if you leave any in the videos, because I do love to do that. Love like interacting with my fan base when people do comment. It's always nice. Now, the biggest thing I want to do in this episode is first make the metal hatchet that I got the stuff for. Pretty sure, at least. Oh, we still need some hide. Okay. We can't actually track that. That's awesome. It doesn't really do anything since we can't craft in our inventory. So let's go out. Yeah, it definitely is pretty framey right now. But let's hopefully go find maybe a Parasaur. We could go on the land over here. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to do something about these settings. I don't know what it was in the first episode that made it run so well. Maybe it was I just had the entire area rendered. And then... You know what? I'm going to try it just for a second. It was general video. Save that. See? Now it feels perfect. That's weird. It's running smooth. Was it that? Something just stole. Oh. Thanks for the taming tracker so I can track him down. I'm not too worried about 11 berries. But now it's running good. Did I seriously just need to check then uncheck that box? Because it feels good. Okay. What the hell? Oh, that is a pack of Ichthyornis. Ichthyornis or Ichthyornises? That's kind of a hypothetical there. But yeah, it feels like it's running good now. That's really odd. I just checked and unchecked that box. I guess if you guys are having trouble with your frame rate, maybe try that. So right now we are trying to get some hide to finish off this. What do we need, like 10? And we have 7 currently. Also, since we did just unlock the crossbow, maybe we try and tame a creature in this episode. I know I did say I wanted kind of my first creature to just be a baby that we kind of orphan, but that may just not happen since I hardly have been finding any babies from, like, Parasaurs. A Parasaur baby or... What am I thinking of? A Stego baby would be awesome. Because a Stego doesn't move very fast, you could pretty easily kill it with... That's a weird noise for a fish to be making. You can pretty easily kill it with a crossbow or just a normal bow with enough arrows, since they're pretty slow. I do not know why the game's running so good all of a sudden. I seriously don't know what I did. So that in there. There we go. Let's throw some of these other resources in here. And boom. We just got ourselves a metal hatchet. Perfect. Also a white drop over there. Let's go hit that up. What is that? I'm gonna dismiss that. I do like the new pinging system. It's really cool. But I noticed sometimes it'll just, when I logged back on, it just brought up my last death. Even though I'm pretty sure I dismissed it before, so maybe there's a little bugginess with that. But let's check out this white drop. Maybe we get some good building stuff. Okay, narco berries, a wall torch. I will definitely take all of that. That's actually pretty helpful. I could really use that food right now, too. Yeah, I don't know. Why is the game running so good after I did that? Okay, now it's getting a little framey, but that's because I'm loading in a big area. Are you a mom? Maybe you have a baby I could have? You're not a mom, and you're a 120. Oh, you're the one I had killed a raptor in the last episode. Yeah, we're buddies now. See, I feel like if I go up there, I'll get hit by like a Trudon or something and die. Kind of the same with that area, though. Maybe we just walk along the beach for a bit longer. Oh, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll go back from where I came from and have fun there. A little late for the intense music to kick in, but there it is. So, I would like your guys' opinion on one major thing, and that is, what kind of mod should I be putting in this series? Because, like, I'm definitely going to put S Plus in, but what do you guys think about Ultra Stacks, if that ever gets fully ported over, or similar mod, Soul Balls, or Dino Storage in general, Death Recovery mod? That was the mod that used the gravestone. You hit the gravestone and then you got all your stuff back that you died with. Some of those mods I'm definitely not totally sure on, just because if we're really going for an OG ARK experience or a full ARK experience, I feel like we should play with mostly what the game gives us. But stuff like S Plus is more or less just helpfulness. It's slice of life. I was really about to say that. Quality of life changes that really help building and a lot of other things like that. So, I mean, I'm fine with S Plus, but maybe you guys aren't. I'd really like to know your guys' opinion down below. How we should do this series in terms of mods and rates. For now, I'm going to keep base rates, but I'm sure I'll change them later on once we get into breeding. Because if I want to take on the Alpha Overseer, I'm going to need heavily mutated Rexes, or I was considering maybe doing a different kind of army. Probably Theres, but, you know, maybe a different army even from that, even though I can't really think of what to do. Probably Theres, though, since they're always a cool creature I've done little armies with, but never fully committed to one. Let's get some narcotic crafting up. Bam, there we go. We want to put this metal in here, light this fire. Look in here, throw in the flint. And then we'll throw some berries in this box, just so they're not weighing us down. Let's get a little torch hung up. that we got from that drop. You can't really light it, but it's still like a cool little decoration piece. And we did get a second campfire. Maybe we place that outside. You have to get off of it. I always forget that. You can't open a door with the building out. Let's just throw this, like, back here. In case we ever want to use it just for charcoal production. So now, since we did kind of go out and render the island, let's run up and down here. See if we can find a creature that we'd like to tame. Because we probably have enough narcotic to make a few trank arrows, which I did see we unlocked. Which is very helpful. Hopefully, either a full-grown, decent-level Parasaur, I do see a Parasaur right there, or a decent-level trike that has a baby that we could orphan. It's the nicest way I can think of saying it. So it looks like you're stuck, and you are level... You're level 120, that's not bad. I bet we could knock that out with the normal bow, but we may just want to go to a crossbow to be safe. Looks like on this side, nothing really. Let's see. I see a lot of Terras. I do wonder, can flyers have babies? Could you see like a baby Quetzal flying around? Ooh, let's wait to hit that Explorer note. We may want to craft something big, like when we make our first gun or something, we may want to pop that Explorer note, especially with ammo, or just a big batch of narcotic. Let's wait on that Explorer note. Hopefully I won't forget it's there. Do you have a baby? Senor Parasaur? You do not, and you're only level 5, but that means it'd probably be easy to kill you. Come on. Just come back. There we go. I think we did just throw one of our spears off into the distance, though. Love how much hide we're getting out of that. I guess let's keep going. A trike would be really cool, but they're just not very fast, and Parasaurs definitely have speed on them. So maybe that 120 Parasaur is just the best option to go with right now. I can't believe we've gone 3 episodes without legitimately taming something. We did try to, I think, last episode with that Parasaur, but we didn't knock it out. Oh, it's a Dillo. Should probably kill that. Nah. Let's just do this level. Put that level in the water. Okay, let's head back to base. I'll see how much metal do we need for a crossbow. 7. I think we have exactly that much cooking. I didn't plan that. It's actually awesome. I thought it was like 11 or 12. But yeah, let's head back to base. While we're doing that, I do want to talk just a little bit again about the channel. I know I do this a lot, but this one will be quick. I promise. Now, I've recorded episode 1. I recorded that last night at like 11. I have recorded episode 2 a few hours ago, and I recorded episode 3 right now. I don't know why I said that. But as for the final ARK Survival Evolved video I kind of have planned, that may come later this week, because eventually it's a Sunday, it's the weekend, so that's why I was able to kind of spend all day recording, editing, or doing stuff like that, but eventually it'll be the week, and I won't be able to do that. So I was thinking maybe next weekend trying to get the Alpha Overseer fight done on ARK Survival Evolved. It's really, everything's ready, but with this game just dropping, it's kind of hard for me to want to go back to ARK Survival Evolved, honestly. With how beautiful this game looks, and now how amazing it's running. That's honestly weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Or, I'm saying it like it's a bad thing, but no, I don't care. I like that it's running good. So, let's take this out, and hopefully we do. We have enough for a crossbow. Let's get that crafted up, and we'll make some arrows. We are kind of flying in progression this series. I probably shouldn't load it yet. We have oh yeah, that'll definitely be enough. Let's see, let's grab like half of those. We need fiber and thatch for arrows. Oh, we are almost out of thatch and fiber. I guess let's just go harvest what we need. Get like 2 trees worth of thatch. I feel like I see something over there, but I don't know what. So far, I am definitely enjoying ARK Survival Ascended. It is so unfortunate to hear the news about how the game is getting hated on and people are saying don't buy it, and unfortunately, it is a reason I agree with. It is very scummy what Nitrado's doing to monopolize ARK servers and making it so only they can run them. I just don't think it's right, and I don't usually speak out on stuff like this. Normally I just play game, have a good time, but in this case I feel like it is more important, since this could mean some very dark things for the future of ARK. A lot of people really enjoyed playing the server aspect, and now when they learn that maybe they won't be able to play servers on a server they like from a company they trust, they may not want to play it at all. They may just be like, okay, well, we'll find a different game to play, which means ARK Survival Ascended will be losing money and getting bad rep in the process, which is just very unfortunate. I think what Wildcard or Nitrado could possibly do is say the servers will run better with Nitrado, or they'll be more efficient. Oh, I wanted to kill. Oh, crap. That's a trank arrow. Well, we just knocked out a Terra. I needed hide. I was trying to kill it. What level are you? Oh, only level 15. Needed hide. You guys probably said probably want me to tame that, but I don't really want to tame it. It's kind of a low level. Let's get just a bit more hide, or fiber. And then, what did it say? Thatch, I think? And we should be ready to go ahead and tame this Parasaur. Okay. How many shots will you take? There he goes, straight down. So hopefully we did... Yep, we got some Mejo berries while harvesting. He's fully tranked out. Let's harvest a bit more, because I'm not sure if what we have in him will be enough. Okay, I was kind of afraid that was an Ichthy, no, it's a Pelagornis. And I guess while he's knocked out, we could start working on possibly getting his saddle made up. Let's see. What do we need for a Parasaur saddle? I think it's a lot of hide. Oh, do we not have it learned yet? Let's see. Okay, I feel like I've gone past it. Yeah, it wouldn't be after a trike saddle. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. I am trying to save our engrams. Oh, I haven't seen what we could possibly unlock if we wanted to. It's just stone stuff. Let's grab that pike. I'm not sure if we'll craft one just yet, since we do have a lot of spears we'll probably want to burn through first. But what do we need for the Parasaur saddle? We need a lot more hide and a bit more wood. I feel like we can manage that. For now, let's swap my crossbow back to normal arrows. And let's go see if we can find something to kill for hide. I don't know how many more videos I'll be doing that are like this one, where it's majority of it is uncut, because I understand a lot of people don't just want to sit around and watch a 45 to an hour long video, and some people just don't have the time for that. And while I did like editing it down, being able to say, we'll be back once this happens, I feel like I was doing it kind of in a bad way. Because what I would do is I'd just be like, we'll be back once we're finished taming this Parasaur, and then I'd cut. And what I would do in between that cut is listen to music, get on my phone, and not pay attention, which meant easily something could happen. So for now, I mean, I feel like that's just like a personal thing I need to do. But for now, I'm going to say a lot of this is going to be uncut, just so you can see how I start out the game. A lot of the issues I'm running into. And there's a dodo we can kill, but you won't be near enough hide. And I just realized, why don't we just track this? Awesome. $285 damage, wow. Oh, there's a Hesperornis. We get some organic polymer. There we go. Let's get those arrows back, too. No, you're coming with me. Dang it. We're at, what was that, 37% it looks like. We may need to harvest a few more berries. I think we had enough in it, but we may not have. Let's get these. We have some more Medjos to feed you. I guess I really haven't talked about the new berries. The Maganberry, the Verdberry, and the Cyanberry. Cayenberry. I guess I didn't talk about them just because I already saw them on... I'm pretty sure it was Syntax video, because I started freaking out when I first saw them. I was like, oh, there's a new berry! There's a new berry! And then I didn't do anything when I actually started recording. Oh, what? That didn't kill? Oh, man. I thought I would kill it. We're definitely low on hide for this. Okay, maybe we should just stay around the Parasaur, wait for it to raise up, and just have it follow us back to the base. I wonder what I'll name the last episode. Maybe, like, I got pillaged by an Alpha Raptor, or my base got pillaged by an Alpha Raptor, something like that. You'll probably have already seen it since it'll be uploaded, hopefully. Yeah, I would definitely hope episode 2 would be before episode 3. What am I saying? But so far, I haven't run into much issues in terms of editing or my recording software. So hopefully that'll continue and we'll be able to play the game as normal, record it as normal, and upload it as normal. I do apologize if you're a longer time viewer. I can't really say long time because I haven't been doing this for very long. I've probably only done content for 6 months max. That may even be a little generous. But I do apologize for how slow I got on the ARK Survival Evolved series. It was just we were getting to a point where there wasn't much to do. And it got boring and felt like a task and chore to go through and do all the stuff that I actually needed to get done because it was something like farming the swamp cave for Ascendant Rex saddle. Or, I don't know, just doing Rex mutations in general just took so long. And it made the game feel more like a chore and less of a game. Which kind of just burnt me out of it and meant that my content wasn't as frequent. So hopefully that won't happen as fast with this game. I'm wondering if we'll be able to complete the island on Survival Ascended before Scorched Earth comes out. I think Scorched Earth is still supposed to come out sometime this year. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. And we may not even finish the island by the end of this year, since it is almost November. I'm kind of hoping this Ichthy would come to us so we could kill it, but I guess it didn't want to do that. So, yeah. I do plan on doing the Alpha Overseer on ASE, but it's going to take a little bit because I kind of like this game better right now. You get the shiny new toy, you have to put the old rusty one down for just a little bit. And I'm not saying this game is without flaw. Of course it has some flaws. I've seen, apparently there's still some bugs. I don't know specifically which ones, but apparently there may still be some bugs that were present in ARK Survival Evolved that are still present now. I really haven't run into too much, and I guess we got the graphics up pretty good because we're honestly running really well. Honestly, my PC isn't that hot. I'm kind of like feeling the glass. It's been hotter just playing ARK Survival Evolved. So that's definitely good as well. Hopefully, eventually, we will see some optimization, like I said in the last episode, so we get more people playing the game. We still don't have quite enough hide, and I don't think we have enough at the base either. So let's just let this Parasaur tame up really quick. And what else do we want to do in this episode? So are we close to anything specifically? Not really. I guess we're close to sickle and sword. Maybe a pistol. I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with this video. I don't want to go too long, but is it really that interesting if I just tamed a Parasaur? You are... Let's think of a name. Radar the Parasaur. You know, they have that little ability that lets them shoot out the echo thing that will warn you when there's stuff. I've seen that. I didn't know about that till PvP. I watched a couple guys play PvP and I'm like, is that really a Parasaur doing that? And then I kind of saw it in game and I'm like, wow, that's kind of cool. So apparently they're supposed to pick out the best path to follow me so they won't get stuck. That would be great. And, okay, I guess it kind of did, because I feel like ARK Survival Evolved Parasaurs would not do that at all. Let's run down this beach just a little bit. We will need to cook up some more meat pretty soon. I want to try and get up there, because there could be a couple creatures we're not seeing. Maybe more Parasaurs that we could harvest. What is that? How do we get up there? Ooh, this is really cool. This little cove? How did I not notice this before? Oh, I probably noticed it. I just didn't do anything about it. Oh, it looks like up there. Oh, what? This little place would be perfect for a base. I did not even know about this little cave in here. Or, not cave, like cove oasis area. This is awesome. Huh. Maybe we set up something around here eventually? But I do still want to try and find a way up there. Because there may be creatures I'm missing out on because I can't... Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Wait, I bet we can break this rock. No, okay, that could have been bad. But it's not. Kind of want some stone. I do want to get up here, though. Did they make it so you can't without... Let's try that jump. Oh, I didn't jump. Huh. That is a really cool area. I don't know how I didn't assume it'd be back there. That is awesome. I think... Let's try and end off this episode by getting a Parasaur saddle. I don't know how long this video is running already. Hopefully not too long. Because I do want to maybe calm down with the super, super long videos. But if you guys have been watching them through, I really thank you for that. Because for... I think I need, like... I need a lot of watch hours to be able to get into the YouTube creator program and actually start making money. So it'd be very cool to be able to do this as a livelihood, but I understand I'm very far away from that. So, I mean, that's not pressuring you guys to watch all the way through. If you guys get bored, stop watching. I mean, no one's forcing you. Except yourself. And if you force yourself to watch my videos, you're not going to want to watch me because it's going to feel like a chore. So don't. If you get bored, leave. It's perfectly fine. If I get bored of a video, even if it's a content creator I love, I'll just stop watching. Hopefully we will start doing some more exciting things later on that will hopefully get some views. I do want to thank you guys because that Tech Parasaur video from ARK Survival Evolved has now hit over 1,100 views, which is just mind-boggling to me that a video I thought of as insignificant could do so well. They always steal the stupidest things from you. I remember in one of my ARK Survival Evolved episodes, they stole, like, This was the one that stole my charcoal. That little asshole. He came back for more. What the hell? He literally stole my charcoal and decided it wasn't enough and attacked me again. I'm very glad we got that back. But we are kind of over encumbered, so maybe let's drop half of that. Now let's go back to base. I cannot believe we just found him. I think that was on video. I don't think that happened off camera or anything. Yeah, I'm pretty sure on camera. If you guys watched the last episode, you'll know we got ambushed by pegos and compies at one point. I actually thought I was going to die to them. Is that the fish making those noises? Those are annoying. That piranha's attacking me. They sound like dogs. Like, row, row. Kind of a weird noise for a piranha to make. Let's throw this in here. Let's throw this in here. Let's get rid of this fiber. Oh, we have enough hide now. Awesome. Okay, let's get this Parasaur saddle crafted. And boom! We have our first rideable mount, a very nice looking Parasaur. Or Radar the Parasaur. Hopefully, you'll be very fruitful in our narco berry gathering efforts. Oh, you already got 19. It's already pretty good. So let's craft some more narcotic and, well, I think that's kind of a good place to end off this episode. So if you did enjoy, let's do this level in wait. If you did enjoy the episode, please consider leaving a like, and maybe also consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see where this ARK Survival Ascended series goes. And if you have any questions, comments, or tips and tricks for me for ARK Survival Ascended, I played a lot of ARK Survival Evolved, but I could always use some tips and tricks on the new features. So if you have any of that, please leave it down in the comment section below. And with that, I'll see you guys next time.